Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we will be taking a look at GetResponse.com, the best email marketing platform. So let's go for it. Let's get started. First, you all need to do is to go on Google and type GetResponse.com. Once you're done, you will see the landing page like this. So first, let's quickly review the website. Then I'm gonna go with the logins. So marketing behind email, an affordable, easy platform to send emails, grow your list, and automate communication. So let's get started. Let's get into it. The inbound email marketing solution for what you need to do: get your business online. A suite for free marketing tools designed to get your business online and fueled with a stream for new leads. So you can grow your audience, find new customers, and build your email list with lead generation tool that turn anonymous connection into loyal fans. Okay, you can also engage your customers, stay in touch with your customer and potential client, and target online communication that converts. So you can boost online sales, make your e-commerce business, and deliver experience that converts store version into the returning customers. Okay, you can also personalized tools for who are you. So interpreter, online marketer, marketing manager, and large companies. You can market your business online with features that help you to reach out to potential clients and build relationship. You can make money from anywhere with the flexibility to generate and convert leads from the comfort from your own home. Reach your customer segments with automatic personal messaging through different channels. You can increase your ROI with tools tailored and signals to your business for better results across the entire customer journey. Okay, now you can unbeatable price for email marketing software. This is the trial version. The first one is free, then we're gonna go with paid plan for $13 with the customer pricing, the last and easy. Okay, now you can join the 100,000 plus business already growing with that. We are a global marketing software company empowering you to run a business with the online marketing tools that you need. Take the next step forward and join a thousand of business growing by engaging audience online anywhere. GetResponse helps you run my business. I have been, that's the person. His name is Snake. Has been, comment that I've been with them for a long time and not going anywhere. I love GetResponse tracking, stat, and features. You will see a lot of different reviews over here. Now you can see the helpful resources to get you started. Get more of your email marketing. You can find out what emails and marketing that delivers the highest return on investment. Learn how to create email campaign, get results, and how to discover the email marketing. Okay, now once you need us, you are here. Our customer success team is always there for you. You can contact your free anytime. We are fully remote. We speak 8 languages. We are 100% committed to your success. GDR compliant by completely transparent, and GDR compliant with GetResponse. Consent fields allow your contact to provide their proper consent right. Then sign up, arm yourself with detailed information along related to each consent field which you need to manage. Now we're gonna go ahead and get you to log in today. I'll let you know in the next video, but right now in this video, that's all for today. Just take a look at that website, the best email marketing platform, GetResponse, and we're gonna let you know. I will let you know the logins in the next video. Okay, so thank you so much for your time. Make sure, if you like the video, make sure you subscribe this channel, and I will catch you in the next video. Thank you.